channel. I hope you're ready for today's recipe. It's one of my best ever. I'm gonna be showing you how to prepare a rich and oh so hearty caldo de res. Now this beef soup has been passed down the family for generations. It is jam-packed full of veggies and loaded with tons of rich bone broth. It just can't get any more healthier. Esta es una de las mejores sopas del mundo. So let's get started. You'll need to start off this soup with about 3 pounds of cut up stew meat, which includes a few of the bones inside of the mix. If you can't find beef bones, oxtails will work perfectly well. Add the meat to a large 2-gallon pot, fill it halfway with water, and I'm going to boil the meat covered for about 45 minutes on a medium heat. In the meantime, these are the vegetables you can start to clean and chop. You're going to take the tomatoes, onion, and cilantro along with a clove of garlic. You're going to need to blend these 4 ingredients together to make the espesso for the soup. This, in other words, is the rich and flavorful broth. Work in batches if it won't fit in your blender and put the espesso off to the side. Now go ahead and chop the rest of the veggies, peel your chayote and remove the seed from the center. It's important to cut the veggies in large chunks here because they do become so tender while cooking in the soup. You don't want them to fall apart. Now this here is a yuca. It'll take a little bit of arm strength to cut, but go ahead and chop off the edges and all of its thick skin coating. Don't leave this vegetable out because this root cooks up so creamy. It's actually my favorite part of the soup. For those of you new here on my channel, I want to welcome you all. I post quick and easy recipes every single week. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you guys won't miss out. Now don't forget that this complete recipe is listed down below in the description box. Once everything is peeled and roughly chopped, the corn, the carrots, the cabbage, and the potatoes, you're gonna go back and check on that meat. It should be nicely boiling for about 45 minutes. You're gonna skim off all of that foam if there's any floating on top or stuck to the sides of the pot. And once you have that nice clear water, you're gonna go ahead and season this soup with some chicken bouillon and some salt. This is a 2-gallon pot of soup, so I added about 4 tablespoons of bouillon and 1 tablespoon of salt. You can adjust this to your liking. Go ahead and add all of that espesso, aka the blended up salsa-like mixture. Give it a good mix and go ahead and then add all of those cut up veggies. Be sure to end here with the cabbage on top, which is the most delicate. You're gonna fill it with a bit more water if needed and go ahead and cover this. You're gonna allow it to boil, then lower the heat so that it's on a simmer for about 1 hour. Now you guys, get your rice ready and your tortillas because this incredibly warm and comforting soup is ready. The veggies are extremely delicate, so scoop them out with care. Your yuca should be nice and soft. The meat should be easily shreddable with your fork and just falling off the bones. Serve this soup with some pickled jalapenos, a nice big juicy wedge of lemon, and some sliced avocado. This is a Guatemalan recipe, which is all a match made in heaven.